So one of the comments was from Karen, who said that she's done your course and would like to tell people how easy she found it. So Karen, can you, I don't know. I just think I unmute. Oh,
Okay.
there you go.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah, I have to say how Christina breaks things down in such an elementary way is really doable. And this is from somebody who's terrified of tech. I get anxious just turning on my computer. So it's very, very easy and very doable. And it's actually, I was surprised to learn that I actually enjoyed it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, because it got to be fun because I'm creative. And so, you know, I got to feel, I'm still struggling with the content, but I know the basics of how to build the website, and I can go in and play with it, which I do all the time to, you know, an agonizing degree, but I'm in control of it.
And Karen, actually what you're bringing up is what we were talking about before, that taking the photos is not the same thing as putting them on the website, and putting the copy somewhere on the website in the right place is one thing, and writing the copy is a different thing. So I think it's really important to understand that Christina's program is really the implementation of the creativity.
Yes,
and
you will get the foundation, you will get like the structure of the foundation in a very step-by-step way that it makes it so it really sinks in, and I really can go now to the website without like referring back to anything. So it was really easy.
Thanks, Karen.
Thank you, Karen. And I love how Karen mentioned that it becomes fun, and that is my goal. And people signing up for my class, they can't imagine how it can be fun. But when you follow my step-by-step, especially if you don't think in the beginning, which is kind of important, right? We're used to thinking too much. And kind of get the, oh, now I know what I need to do. Oh, let me put a picture up. Oh, that's exciting. Let me find some more pictures. And it all kind of comes together.